Hello everyone, now we will discuss very useful technique for maintenance of electrical equipment, which is thermography and thermal imagers. We will see what is thermography, its benefits and its applications. Thermography is the science of infrared imaging. Infrared radiation is electromagnetic radiation emitted by all objects on earth proportion to their temperature. Infrared camera or thermal imager detects this infrared radiation, also known as radiant heat, and generates thermogram. There is a simple camera here. Regular cameras show visible light images, whereas a thermographic image, the thermal imager takes the thermographic image, and thermal imagers show heat images. So here we can see that the more red spot, more red area has more high temperature as compared to this orange area. So thermal imagers shows the thermal profile of the object instead of visible profile. Electromagnetic spectrum. So this normal camera, this captures the visible range, whereas a thermal imager captures short wave infrared, middle infrared and long wave infrared, which is 7.5 to 14 micron range. Now how to use this device? So this is a thermal imager. We can use this device to take the thermograms or the photograph of thermal photograph of the equipment. So the basic technique is aim, focus and click. First of all, you have to aim your thermal imager towards the equipment of which thermogram you desire. Then you would have to focus on the image. You can focus through the circular knob which is given in the device, and then you have to press the click button to capture the image. So for example, this is a simple visible image and this is the thermogram or thermal image of the motor. We can see that there is very high temperature in the central portion, which is due to the heat emitted by the windings. Further applications, we can see we can take the thermogram of a moving or very hot object like this pulley. We can see that this object is very hot as compared to the other. So there may be a high friction here which can cause problem. So we can predict when to perform the maintenance activity. So this is also known as predictive maintenance. The items which are difficult to reach, we can use it to the items which are difficult to reach and impossible to shut off. Suppose there is an application which is which remains continuous, so you cannot shut off the system. So what you can do for its health inspection, you can take the thermogram and you can detect that whether you need to perform any maintenance or not, or which is dangerous to contact. So these are the equipment which you cannot touch because of the high voltages. So for these items, for these all applications, this thermal imager is a very useful device to check to perform predictive maintenance. Its benefits are efficiency in inspection, improvement in equipment maintenance, increase in equipment reliability, increase in equipment safety, and savings in the company money.